Well, let's talk about it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let me throw a system at it. Let's see if that'll work. Hey, I'm Jennifer White with the MJW Group. We're a performance consulting and leadership development firm. We help manufacturing, supply chain, and operations executives increase profit by improving efficiencies through expense reduction and automation. Today, I just want to chat with you all about technology. Is it too far out of reach for you? Don't know. A lot of times people feel that technology can solve all of their problems. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. Hate to burst your bubble, but no, definitely not true. Technology is not a problem solver for underlying issues that you've had for quite some time. Those issues should be addressed before technology is even thought about or brought up in a conversation. Now, you can most certainly discuss where you want to end up in your future state. For instance, if your team has been doing manual processing of invoices since 1989, hashtag I was five, and now you want to address that issue and create some type of automation. You may need new technology to do that. Most likely you will, and you have to figure out a way for the behavior of how people do their work, and work design will change with implementing technology. So that's why I say it may be too far out of reach for you right now. So when you want to make a change, such as introducing new technology in your organization, the four essential levers that I talk about often are people, processes, data, then technology. Technology is last for a reason. So again, in that order: people, processes, data, then technology. You must fix the underlying problems with people, processes, and data. You may have to scrub data. You may need new people that exhibit skills and competencies for the new technology. You don't want to have to spend so much time and energy and money on training someone when maybe you could just bring someone in who already has, that skill set. And then with processes, by all means, if you didn't have it documented before, you definitely need to have it documented with the new way it's going to be formatted in your new technology. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip on assessing if technology will work for you or not. You need to address certain issues before just throwing a system into the mix. I've seen organizations spend millions of dollars on technology that they thought was going to solve a problem, and it may have solved a problem for one department but became an issue for another department. So therefore it wasn't an optimal solution for the organization. Thank you for watching. Talk to you again soon. Thanks.